Hey friends, so if you haven't heard of Young Lean, he's a rapper from Sweden who just started putting out music on TikTok just this year. His new song, Just Come and Go Brah, has been a breakout hit, and this newcomer to the scene really has unique sound poised to go viral on TikTok. It's always so dope to see a new TikTok rapper like this getting exposure. Okay, I'm sorry. Hopefully you know I'm joking here. Young Lean is a fucking legend who has defined ambient trap music over the past decade and been a massive influence on many of the biggest rappers in the world. Honestly, if you grew up in the 2010s and didn't listen to Young Lean, I'm pretty sure you're an NPC. So yeah, stick around because we're about to make some really wavy, anime-inspired type beats for Young Lean. Since it's 2022, we're going to update the sound with a bit more modern drums and get really creative with the melodies. All the sounds in this beat are going to come from my 8-fold serum bank and my Sugar Rush drum kit with Geology. Before we get into the cook-up, it would mean the world if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, I've been grinding on TikTok super hard recently, and it would mean the world if you could tap in over there. Now let's dive in.
And you don't play.
So that's how to go viral on TikTok. Make a groundbreaking song, then just wait about 10 years for a bunch of snot-nosed kids to discover it on TikTok. Jokes aside, I really hope you enjoyed the cook-up and learned something new. Your support means the world to me, and I'll never stop expressing my gratitude for that. Thank you. Now, if you want to learn how to make beats for Blade and Echo 2K, click either of these cards. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.